Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you my version of the classic Filipino dish, chicken adobo. Traditionally, chicken adobo is cooked in a clay or metal pot. In this version, I'll be cooking the adobo on a charcoal grill. So what we're going to do is we're going to coat 4 pounds of drumsticks in some oil and the adobo rub. Adobo rub is equal parts kosher salt, ground pepper, and garlic powder. So we're going to add some olive oil. Use this as a binder so that the spices stick to the meat. And here's the adobo rub. So we're just going to make sure the chicken is evenly coated. Now we're going to add the chicken to a very hot grill. I think it's about 650 to 700 degrees. Now we're just going to add this just to get a char on the chicken. We're not going to cook the chicken all the way through in this method on the grates. We're just going to get a nice char, and then we're going to finish it in a pan. We're going to leave it on like 5 minutes per side. Now we're going to turn it 90 degrees, just so we get the nice grill mark. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the chicken over. Alright, now I'm going to take the chicken off the heat and I'm going to put it in the pan. That would make that fit. Alright. Half a cup of water, half a cup of cane vinegar, half a cup of soy sauce, and then half a cup of Merlot. You can use Cabernet Sauvignon if you'd like. We're also going to add 5 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of whole peppercorns. Mix that up a little bit. And we're going to seal it with aluminum foil. And we're going to put it back on the grill and let this cook. It's going to braise for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked all the way through. Okay, I think this is done. This is ready to go. Okay, now we're at my favorite part, the eating part. Let's try this bad boy out. Get out of the way, just a little bit of sauce here. Works out very well. As always, this goes great with rice. Now, growing up, I never actually liked chicken adobo. I remember that it was usually always dry. and it's usually overcooked because it was slow cooked, and you couldn't really taste the chicken. Here you can clearly taste the chicken. It's really juicy. It's got these nice char marks. This turned out really well. Very pleased. So that's it for my version of chicken adobo. Please try this recipe at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.